The secret to good email follow-up is pretty simple. It actually is consistency. Emailing your list once a week or once every other day, more than just whenever you feel like it. There needs to be some type of schedule. Whenever I'm working with a private client, the first thing that I ask them is, how often are you emailing your list? And a lot of times it could be maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 weeks. And I ask why. And they say, well, because I don't know what to send them. Send them anything. Here's a tip for you. Anytime you are stuck with what to send to your email list, just send them something that's of value, something that you found that is valuable. And that could be a YouTube video. That could be a blog post, something that lets them know that you are still there and that you have something valuable to share. That will lead to a sale eventually. Consistency, email follow-up is the key to growing a successful brand. If you're interested in growing your list and following up with your list, I encourage you to check out our book over at emaillistplaybook.com. This is a 100-page guide that we use ourselves internally and with all of our private clients. Check it out. I think it'll help you.